In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a project from Adobe Express. We'll walk through a quick resize and then save the finished file to your computer so you can follow the same flow for any quick edit and get a clean download at the end. First, open your web browser and go to express.adobe.com. This takes you to Adobe Express on the web, where all the tools run right in your browser, no installs needed. When the home page loads, take a moment to look around, then scroll down the page. You're looking for the section that highlights the quick editing tools. It's a panel of simple, fast actions designed to handle common tasks without opening a full project. In that section, select the Quick Edits area to reveal the available tools. For this demo, we'll focus on resizing an image, which is a great example because the download process is the same afterward. Click Resize Image to open the tool. You'll be prompted to add your file. Browse your computer, choose the image you want to adjust, and confirm to upload it. Drag and drop usually works here too, but browsing is the most reliable. For best results, start with the highest quality version you have and consider working from a copy if you plan to keep the original untouched. Once the image loads, use the sizing options to get the dimensions you need. You can pick a preset that matches common platforms or enter custom width and height. Keep the aspect ratio locked if you want to avoid distortion, and only unlock it if stretching is intentional. If you need to reduce file size, shrinking the dimensions is the most effective move. Be cautious when enlarging since scaling up can soften details. When you're satisfied with the preview, it's time to save your work. Click Download to export the adjusted image to your device. Depending on the tool's defaults, the file may save as a JPEG or PNG. Watch for a confirmation or check your browser's downloads area to make sure it completed. If you're organizing multiple versions, rename the file right away so you can identify it later. And that's it. You went to Adobe Express, accessed the quick edits, resized an image, and downloaded the finished file. Use this same flow with other quick tools, crop, background removal, and more, and you'll always finish by downloading your result. Thanks for watching, and happy